Pete Gustis here at 433 Oak Terrace in West Reading. Looking at a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house with a finished basement, fenced-in garage, right across the street from the hospital. So if you work in the area, it's a great location to be at. You can walk right across the street from work. Let's go check it out. All right, you'll notice a nice large front porch. Hardwood flooring in the living room. It's a pretty large living room, which goes into a large formal dining room. And you have an open concept kitchen here. Built-in fridge. Plenty of storage. And that goes into your sunroom, which has tile floor and a pellet stove. All right, walking into the basement, you'll notice a nice big finished area. So in West Reading, you have a finished basement with a laundry. The walkout does go into the sunroom, and it also has a full bathroom downstairs, which is a great feature. And you'll notice the HVAC system is newer. Same with the water heater. Okay, walking upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms and a powder room, or full bathroom. It's got tile floors. It's been remodeled. And your master with a nice sized closet. And this one's currently being used as storage. The owners already have a house, so they're actually preparing to move, so excuse the mess. And from the sun porch in the Florida room, you're going to notice a great patio. It's fenced in. It's beautifully decorated, so even though you're in West Reading, you have a privacy and a great landscape. Thank you for previewing 433 Oak Terrace. Give me a call at 570-640-3535 for a private tour. This is a great home, and I expect it to sell very quickly.